Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session we are going to study about the AWT choice control, a practical program. Now in this program what we are doing is we are going to take a choice control, fill it with the names of the branches which are available in your college. For example, here I have entered computer, IT, mechanical. You can also add civil, right, and some other branch which is there in your college. And when the user clicks on this particular option here, the head of the department should be displayed in this text box. तर इथं अंडरस्टँड ही जी आहे ही चॉईस कंट्रोल आहे आणि जिथं इथं HOD इज अनिल सर म्हणून डिस्प्ले व्हायला आहे दॅट इज द टेक्स्ट फील्ड. So this practical program will give you knowledge about how to use a choice control, and at the same time it will also teach you how to use a text field. So let's start with the program. To do this program I am making use of notepad here. Now in this notepad I will start writing the program. So to write the program, first two import statements import java dot awt dot star. The second one, import java dot awt dot event dot star, and then semicolon. Then the third import statement, import java dot applet dot star. Okay, now this is the first three import statements which you'll have to use, and afterwards you start with this comment code. Comment, they start with / a star, and then I write the comments like this: APPLET, applet. Give a space here, and the first attribute code is equal to choice demo. You can also write .java or .class. You can also put this one in quotations, or simply code is equal to choice demo you write, that is more than enough. Then width, width, width is equal to 300, height is equal to say 300. Close this angular bracket, go to the next line and close this applet tag like this, right? And then again go to the next line and close the comments, but make sure that comments close kartana first a star or the asterisk symbol and a /. Okay, now we have finished with the applet comment code. Now we'll start with the class declaration. Public class choice demo extends applet implements item listener. Item listener is the name of the interface, because we have seen in that list the department names are there, and when you click on any department name, the head of the department of the department should be displayed in the text field. Okay, good. Now we'll go to the class. Inside the class, first what I will do, I will declare an object of choice. I call this one as C1. Then I will declare one object of the text field. I call this object as TF. Okay, then I start with the init method, public void init. Init method, applet lifecycle method is there, right? Init belongs to the applet lifecycle method. This method is executed whenever the applet is first called for execution from the memory, and during the entire life cycle this method executes only once. Okay, public void init. Now inside the init, the first initialization I will do here is I've got one object C1. Okay, C1 is equal to new choice. Okay, default constructor I have used. Then I need to add the names of the departments. So how to add that one? What is the name of the object? C1 dot. What is the name of the method? Add item. The first one I want to add here is computer department. In the list, the second one I want to add is C1 dot add item. What is that I want to add? Information technology. The third one, C1 dot add item. I want to add, say, mechanical department. So added these departments. If you want, you can add many more departments, but let us not waste with that. Whatever departments you have got in your college, when you are trying this program, you can enter that one, right? Usually when you are working with a choice control, the first step of initializing is like this: C1 is equal to new choice. Afterwards, whatever items you want should be added using a method called as add item. Then I have got one text field also, so this text field also needs to be initialized. So TF is equal to new text field, and I'll specify the width of the text field, which is also called as the columns. That means one text field will be created and the width of the text field is 15 characters hold. It can hold 15 characters, or we say 15 columns of text. Okay, text characters. Now added this one. So in the init method, the first step is initialization, next step is addition. Add C1. Okay, now what will happen when you give add C1? This combo box or the choice control will be added to the applet window. Okay, then add TF text field. Okay, now I need to register this combo box or this choice control. How to do that one? What is the name of the choice control? C1 dot add item, listener. You'll have to do this registration because when an event occurs, in response to the event, some activity should be execution. Some activity should be executed. So for this we call it as registration. Take for example, if some other person is speaking, if I keep my ears open and if I tell myself, yes, what he is telling I want to listen, then my ears are focused to listen what the other person is saying. Similarly, here when the combo box मधलं कुठल्याही आयटमवर जेव्हा तुम्ही क्लिक करतात तर काय व्हायला पाहिजे त्याच्यासाठी आपण ही लिझनर वी राईट. इफ यू डोंट राईट लाईन लिझनर, आता समजा फॉर एक्झाम्पल समवन इज स्पीकिंग टू यू ऑर इन जनरल राईट, एखादा भाषणसाठी तुम्ही अटेंड केलात पण तुम्ही आपल्या मोबाईलवरती व्हॉट्सअप बघण्यामध्ये तुम्ही बिझी आहेत. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय झालं, जे स्टेजवरती जे भाषण करता आहेत त्यांनी जे काय भाषण दिलेत ती तुम्हाला ऐकायचं इंटरेस्ट नाही, तुम्हाला व्हॉट्सॲपमध्ये जास्त इंटरेस्ट आहे. देन व्हॉट विल हॅपन, ही विल गो ऑन स्पीकिंग बट यू डोंट रेस्पॉन्ड टू दॅट वन. तसंच ॲडव्हान्स जावामध्ये जेव्हा आपण रजिस्ट्रेशन मेथड म्हणतो, म्हणजे इथं एखादा इव्हेंट जेव्हा जनरेट होत आहे तर त्याच्या रेस्पॉन्समध्ये काय करायचं आहे आपण ती तुम्ही डिझाईन करायला. डिड यू अंडरस्टँड दिस वन? C1 dot add item listener. Okay, now we have finished the init method. Now we will write the code for this method, that is public void item state state changed and bracket मध्ये item event IE. Okay, now understand this one. In core Java you have studied that whenever a class implements an interface, then that class should provide the methods definition for all the methods which are there in the interface. Now you are using one interface item listener. Item listener interface contains a method called item state change. So I need to provide body for this method. Otherwise it will generate some error. Okay. Now see how I will do this one. First what I will do, I will string str is equal to, I will typecast this one to string IE dot get item. Okay, and then I'll make use of the if str dot equals 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 computer computer equals computer. Then what I will do, if str dot equals computer, then tf dot set text. What is the text I want to set? HOD is say Rathod sir. Finish. That means ही प्रोग्राम जेव्हा एक्झिक्यूट होता है त्या कॉम्बो बॉक्स मधलं तुम्ही जर कम्प्युटर ब्रांच सिलेक्ट केलात आणि ही जर इफ कंडिशन ट्रू झालं तर त्या टेक्स्ट फील्डमध्ये काय इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला डिस्प्ले करायचं आहे? HOD is Rathod sir. ओके, नेक्स्ट आता एल्स इफ यूज करायला पाहिजे. हाऊ टू यूज दॅट वन? एल्स इफ str डॉट equals आणि इथं कोटेशन मध्ये IT जे तुम्ही तिथं कॉम्बो बॉक्स मध्ये लिहिलं आहे. इफ दिस कंडिशन इज ट्रू, tf डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट HOD इज अनिल सर. कोटेशन क्लोज करायचं का, म्हणजे ही स्ट्रिंग आहे. आणि लास्ट मध्ये पुन्हा आपल्याला चेक करायची गरज नाही, बिकॉज यू हॅव गॉट ओनली 3 computer, IT and mechanical. You can select only one. Either you select computer, this will be displayed. You select IT, Anil sir will be displayed. पुन्हा if use करायची गरज नाही, directly you can give else tf dot set text HOD is say some Kumar sir. Okay, right. Now we'll close this one. This is the closing bracket for the item state change. This is the closing bracket for the init, but we have not closed the class here. That we will close it here. This is the end of the class, and it is a good practice to write in comments something like this, end class. Now we'll save this program, choice demo, go to the file, select save, and here I'll take this E and then online, and here I'll save this one as choice demo dot java. Okay, can you see this one? Choice demo dot java. Now click on save. Okay, now our program is totally ready. Now we'll compile this one. So for compiling, we'll have to open this DOS cmd. Okay, now you can see here E, then cd. What is the name of the folder? Online java c choice demo dot java. Okay, there is a mistake here. Okay, good. Mistakes आला तर चांगलं आहे, because you'll be able to learn what are the small syntax errors you do when programming. तुम्हाला MCQ pattern मध्ये सुद्धा, right, a program will be given and what are the errors. Now see here we have got one error, str dot equals. तर ही जे राउंड ब्रॅकेट्स आहेत ही ह्या इक्वलसाठी आहे, पण इफच्या पुढे तुम्ही ब्रॅकेट दिलं आहे पण त्या ब्रॅकेटला तुम्ही क्लोज केलं नाही. लेट अस चेक हियर, वेर इज दॅट वन, str dot equals, yes, here one more bracket is required. So again go to the file and save. जावा प्रोग्राम्स करताना कधी तुम्ही चेंजेस केला तर फाईलमध्ये जाऊन पहिल्यांदा सेव करा, then again we will compile this one. Okay, add item listener cannot be applied to add item listener c1 dot. Okay, we'll check this one, c1 dot add item listener. Why this error? Okay, one small mistake we have done here, that is add item listener, you should use this this. Okay, now again go to the file, click on save, compile this program again. Now this program is compiled. You can see it again. I will show you Java C, name of the program choice demo.java. Errors, you are not getting any errors, that means the program is compiled. Applet viewer, okay, choice demo.java. Okay, now applet viewer, when you are using choice demo.java you should write. Now you can see here computer, I select some IT, HOD is Anil sir. I select mechanical, HOD is Kumar sir. When I select computer, okay, my program is running correctly. Now I need to do some changes. Had text filter background color I need to change, and it a foreground color म्हणजे जे टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले व्हायला आहे HOD is ती एका वेगळ्या कलर मध्ये पाहिजे. मग ह्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे, set background. Okay, that we will do. Now I'll minimize this one. Okay, we'll just copy it from this one and then Control C. Okay, इथं आपण काय करू, हॅश ब्लॉक मध्ये ही इथं इन्सर्ट करू. नाव आता काय लिहिलंय एकदा बघा, tf.setBackground color.red. background means the text field's background color. foreground means त्या text field मध्ये जे text आपण लिहिणार आहेत HOD is, that will be displayed in white color and the background will be red color. Okay, now I'll go to the file, save, again open DOS, compile this program Java C choice demo.java. Okay, the program got compiled. We'll run this program again, applet viewer choice demo.java. Now you can see here when I click, background color is red and the text that is displayed is white color. I hope you have understood this program. Try this program on your computer or laptop. And one more program is, in this combo box I want the names of three colors, red, green and blue, and when I select any one of this one, he applet's background red, green किंवा blue मध्ये कन्वर्ट व्हायला पाहिजे. सेम प्रोग्राम आहे, फक्त तुम्हाला त्याच्यामधले ऑप्शन्स चेंज करायचं. इट इज पॉइंट क्लियर. ट्राय करा. ऑल द बेस्ट. प्रोग्राम आवडला तुम्हाला, ही व्हिडिओ आवडला तर डेफिनेटली सबस्क्राईब टू दिस चॅनल. ओके, थँक यू.